All right, hello and welcome to That's the Point. This is the place where we talk about construction positioning technology. My name is Corey Meyer, joined once again by my buddy Jeremy Horn. What's up, man?
Yeah, it's going good.
Going good, and I'm excited today because we are back into talking about round trip. We're talking about, we've had a lot of conversations in the past about the office, the field to office, that round trip workflow, and we kind of wanted to build out on that because there's another option there. You know, we've talked in the past about taking FieldLink and pushing those TFLX files back up to Trimble Connect, but there's actually a little known feature and a little known application for Trimble Connect called Connect Sync that actually lets us do that and more. Kind of takes the next level of syncing so that we can make sure that our Connect project is always synced up and everyone's always looking at the latest and greatest data. So I think what the plan is that this first episode we're going to let Jeremy just show you how to get it installed, how to get dangerous with it, how to start looking at it. And then in the second follow-up episode, we're going to really dig into the details of it and jump into some of the functionality so that we can do some of those advanced features that honestly that a lot of people have been asking for in Trimble Connect. How do we do that?
All right. So yeah, if first off, get into Trimble Connect on the web version, if you see the screen here now, I'm inside my Trimble Connect. If we go up to the top right by the user icon, just to the left of that, where we see a little hamburger, the dots there. If we click on that, it pulls a little drop down, and right there in the middle, you'll see Download Connect Apps.
I don't even want to admit how long it's been that I never knew that existed, but it's been pretty recently.
Yeah.
Today you're old.
I'm not far off. So we click on the Download Connect Apps, and this is also where we can download the Connect app for Windows, which allows you to have that app that's local on your computer to work with. Some different functionalities there, but look over just a couple to the right, we'll see Trimble Connect Sync. So that's the one that we want to download. We see some options, 32-bit, 64-bit Mac. In this case, we would be on a Windows, so we're going to do the 64-bit. If you have a Mac, of course, you would select that, and we would download that.
Okay.
Once you download and it installs, it'll automatically put a little icon on your desktop. So if we look over here to the right is where I have my Trimble stuff kind of separated there, and you'll see in the middle the Trimble Connect Sync. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and open. And if you're already signed in, and you may have to sign in through Trimble Connect. If you're already signed in, like I am, it's automatically.
But it's your same Trimble Connect credentials that you would use you just had in the browser.
That's correct. So now you'll see there's those same project I saw in Trimble Connect, and you'll see the little sync button there. So I could just, once I have that set, I can just go in and push sync. But if you see just to the left of it where it says advanced.
Here it comes.
Yeah, this is where we can go in and set some things. I know we're going to do another video and cover some of that advanced stuff, but just to show quickly, if I hit this edit button here, the main thing is down at the bottom, we do want to see the project location. These are the files that will be synced to the folder. So we do want to go here, and then we can go to the FieldLink folder that we want to sync from. And once we select that,
and that's where you're choosing your local folder that you want to sync from back to the cloud. Okay.
Back to that project. And then from there, we can set all kinds of different settings, but same thing with the scan data. We go select that folder, tell it to sync.
And I think we are going to jump on this in the next episode, but I think it's so interesting, even just seeing that little screen right there, that is, so many people are going to see that and be like, oh yeah, I always wished Connect did this. Now you finally have that granularity, that control to be able to do it.
Right, absolutely.
All right, and so next time we are going to jump into the nitty-gritty of it, kind of jump into some of these specific use cases. We're going to sync some point cloud data. We're going to set up some automated scheduled syncs to be able to show really the power of this, which is what a lot of people have been asking for.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, thanks for helping out.
Yeah, no problem.
And don't forget, reach out to your local building partner if you need any help with Connect Sync and this entire round trip workflow. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks, and pointers. And we'll see you next time on That's the Point.